So my people, me have a bag of things what me I go share with you. See, so come because upon the Father's Day, wicked and decimal people. Me I go share that with you. See, and people, me not lie. The one year me I go share with you is like Shellyann I say she have some things pan Spice daughter. You see me I say, and she a go bust it out. You know what I mean? If Spice ever come at her, them say in a love and war, you know what I mean? Anything goes. But me not like them fi left the youth them out of the mix. You see me? That just my opinion still. You know what I mean? Cause on a level, if you do something to a person or say something about a person, you can't tell them how to respond. You know what I mean? Them respond in a whatever way them feel like. So me I go share that life there with one of my people, and you know what I mean, I want to tell me what I think. So you know this thing I look like it I go too far still. You see me? And Dee Mackerel my people go at it on the Father's Day. You know what I mean? Me did see Dee live and thing, and me never see Dee like dollop or anything like that on the Father's Day, or she do anything on the Father's Day. But you know what I mean, some people don't really take certain things that, you know what I mean, serious certain way, like Father's Day and them something there. You know, so when a Mother's Day everybody go all out, but when a Father's Day you just get a happy Father's Day, and I eat that most of the time. So you go hear what Mackerel have to say, and I go hear what Dee have to say, because Dee go for Khandy too. Because you know say Khandy have something out there same like what Annie have out there, right? And people, Annie go up on the live. Ah boy, Annie go up on live, and it's like she a try fi kinda, you know what I mean, make it not look no way, or her thing bust out there and everybody has see it, and people, she feel some type of way. You know what I mean? Me I go share that with Uno and make Uno hear what she has say. You know what I mean? She just a try fi bounce it off like, you know what I mean? But me know say she feel some type of way, although I them thing that the girl them a go on with. But them can talk, so them do it all them want. But when it come out and everybody has see it, it's like it's a different thing that, you know what I mean? You, that will make you walk and hold on your head. You see me? So you are going people. We're gonna get the right in it, but we are gonna start with Shellyann first. Seeing, so we could get right tonight, people.
After, and you know it said, Spice, despite our differences, I'm glad say you are alive. And I still mean that today. I don't mean you any harm. And I never wish death upon you. And I still not always trouble me. Me nah still wish it upon you. Come here, bigger spiritual person like that. You understand? I want you see many life and I want to see you have many success, because I don't bad mind in blood clots me. I'm not going to tell lie when me not go so. You bring it down, and also we are going to go. Me are going to make you know say, my lady, and remember me tell you, me have 3 file for you. Me I save it to see if you could ever blood clot think you come for Auntie Shelly again. I drop it like it blood clot. All right. Spice, riddle me this, riddle me that. You know the lady in England that was in the video with Vegas and Mr. Lexus? I think the song named Taxi Fare. Wanna go do some homework? God, and she named Gracia too. All right. Riddle me this, Spice. Spice. Hey, Spice, you think me an idiot? You think me I run out with all of the blood? I not say your side blood clot war. You don't dish out all where you have for me. One real and one fake. So no me realize say you don't have nothing for blood clot me. Wriggle me this, wriggle me that. And that way I play. But tell you say, me have some videos of your daughter. I'm not do it. Alright, now but have it though. So ever try come for my family. Make you even say. Make you say. Wanna feel like God people. Hey, wanna feel like God picnic. Not for talk or be rough. Wanna think so when the devil come for blood clot, we not for blood clot answer. How we do now? How we do not get behind me, Satan, with your bag of blood clot lies. Cardo, it post by accident in my WhatsApp story. I never mean for out it, but yeah, that is a picture, but there was a video of her. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to, I never realized that I post it, me delete it quick. Because I never know, say people have time to talk about my pussy. Me never know. Remember, say, me have all of my kids are excelling at school and all of that. Let me tell you something. Gucci this and Gucci that. That's just material shit. That's just fucking material shit. Yo, me have some. Me say, Miss Lady, me I gave the blood clot warning. Hey, try me. When I'll talk about my dead son, make I right. Hey, when I say I have no conscience, no could have do. When they could have will and deal. Auntie Shelly, we're so disappointed enough. Suck on a mother too. You think me not give a blood clot? Yeah, me not. Me I leave it out. You know, hear that? Whatever your name. I said, make sure you ever touch my picnic. I said, we never. You deaf? I'm me for go. Are you there on my life? Are you for go? Wanna come with an uninvited self? I would this now. I never involved the lady kids. I never involved the lady kids. I said something came to my desk and I refused to put it out. But I have it. That me I said. Never say me involved nothing. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes, Pink Nation. You're on the live. Pink Nation. You have something to say on this live?
Yes, hold on.
Me, hold on there. How long this lady I go really a clown me out for me someday? Wait a minute. How long me for hold on, lady? You're not ready. Now whether or not uno a best kids or whatever, let me tell you something. Uno don't tell me. I say when it's let me tell you something. You say when a wartime, uno no don't bumbacla tell me say we me no know you. We say blood clot, me take down my drawers and show you. Hey, when the girl intentionally want make me look like me is a backstabber of friends. I don't fuck man's man them. And I don't like old man either. She disrespectful. She disrespectful. Me can't talk about mine because it never carry me, it not go carry me go to prison. And one thing when you're a tea lady, you have to talk about yourself.
So people, you know what I mean, me understand about them inner them mix up them war whatever. You know what I mean, and you are this, she are this, you, right? But when she has say she have whatever with Spice, youth, and you know what I mean, me I wonder what kind of thing she have, like what she a do, you know what I mean, because if any, you know what I mean, SEXUAL act she a do on it, you know what I mean, that forget dash way, you see me. But as me say, in a love and war anything goes, you see me I say. But for drag spice youth in it, you know, look good to me, you know what I mean. But I want to tell me what you think in the comment section, my people. And obviously she and Spice, you know what I mean, been a link, you know what I mean. So let me know what you think, people. We're gonna watch some more.
You understand? Oh, let me see who this now. Elvis what? Jesus Christ. Hello? This person at the panel live. Hold on. Time, you're on the live.
Hi,
How may I
Auntie
help?
Shelly. How you doing?
Hi, I am fine.
Auntie Shelly, what kind of file you just received?
Which file that?
But somebody just sent you about Spice.
But them sending a whole heap of things. You have to be more
Post it
specific.
now. Post it. You have 20 seconds.
Why? We are talking about? Which one?
Post the file you have for
Which
Spice.
one them? Which one?
Whichever one you have, post it.
No. Me have two. I can't do that. I
Alright,
have.
send one to
I
bring
have.
up.
Huh?
Send
Let
one
me.
to...
I just say it to you, right? Listen to me. The lady attacked me, and me drop the biggest file ever. You get what I'm saying?
Yes.
If me never have my receipts, if me never go a police station for report the thing when it happened to me and me lose money. You get me?
Yeah.
Me drop the biggest file and why I stopped talking to her. Me no need forgive. Me no need no more. Me no bullet. Me no no bullet a waste today. Because as me a protect her and she a go come call out my name for some loose argument. When she know say, me know what she did last fucking summer. No, I said I have two more. Auntie Shelley never tell a lie yet.
No, Auntie Shelly, I believe
So what me I
everything you
say
say.
is, no, me I go say no. Me have to see what a bitch is up to. Me love, me not. I know this checkers will play. You know, like, oh, Juliet, fuck up my girl where take her man Andrew Olness.
Auntie
And
Shelly, I
she have
work
to come
today.
and spill
Auntie
her. All
Shelly.
right, guess what
Auntie
happened?
Shelly.
Let me tell you what going on with Juliet now.
Yeah.
Juliet a play a chess game. So, remember me know what she do last summer and she come run out. Because she feel like she have power. She feel like because she do things with Shaggy. And say, bitch, remember, I know what you did fucking last summer, right? I will haunt you, okay? Me have receipt. Nobody can. Me have witnesses. Me have people who know about it, when me contact. Me know where people even said it on the media. Share luxury doll. When Spice at the fastest me ever see Spice put up a white flag. Share know everybody where Spice rob. Share share put it up and me ask my name on the list of blood plant.
Auntie
You
Shelly,
get me?
hold on. Auntie Shelly, me no cut you. Hold on. Let me ask you a question. So, who are the mash mouth man?
That a Ramesh. Yeah, ask some simple thing. You know, see him mouth.
So
All
why
right.
she never
Once you
did
hear
talk?
mash mouth,
Mm-hmm.
once you hear mash mouth, that's a Ramesh. Once you hear pit belly, pit toilet belly, or anything with belly, a Ramesh. So if you see anybody in a lyrics, I talk about sour belly, but once it's sour, he owns that. Yeah, may I teach you this. In mouth mash, remember say go in, right? All right, you see them if them say, hey, greasy hair coolie boy, I him that too. You just have to know these things. A streets, She use Sykes, and that me I say she a coward girl. Because me do a tea time song right now, me call every blood clot name. Me say Ramesh, your belly big and you're ungrateful, and that is it. Me not tell the lie, me not go around the corner. You get what me I say?
Right.
She go around the tea, make you I guess who are the mash mouth. Mash mouth or Ramesh, big belly, pit belly, every belly. So what else you want to know, my love?
Auntie Shelly, me believe everything what Danger say. That's why a lot
Yeah,
of time
I
people
believe
get
it too.
raped. A lot of time people get raped and they're afraid to come out and talk because of the
Thank you. And you know what is the blessing? I'm glad you said this. You know what is the blessing about all of this? The blessing about all what happened, even if my name did get temporarily, or even if it get dragged in the mud. Let me tell you what this conversation is going to be about. This is going to be about that as a superstar, Spy should never had even somebody we call out, don't ever victimize them for a song. It never looked good. She could have go after somebody else, but don't go after, especially when you acknowledged it. And I am here to tell you that you
Alright, my people. So, alright, there. So, me I go end that, right? So, a part where she just said a while ago, say, boy, if Danger come and say whatever, Spice fi believe, and Spice did, you know what I mean, come out and say whatever. Me feel like say when Spice come out and say whatever, like yeah, she believe Danger and whatever, me feel like say Spice did want hurt her baby father, so that's why she come out and say that, you know what I mean. But maybe deep down Spice did that thing, say, you know what I mean, maybe nothing no go so, right? But here we go on, people. Me have my opinion on what Danger say, because when Danger did attack yesterday and me I hear what she a say, you know what I mean, me kinda say, you know what I mean, like, you know, convincing. You see me? Somebody that me a pray, but me no want to say, you know, go so. But more I know what una think if una did pray the last thing what me put up, right? So me know what to think in the comment section, my people. We are going to watch Annie, you know, hear what Annie I say, because you know, me kind of feel it for Annie still, you know, my people, because you can see say Annie shame, you see me, but me could hear what Annie I say.
My girl, I can't believe it. They mash up my life. Me say, where can I watch it? Yeah, you know. Where can you watch it? The video is viral. Just tell somebody in the comment section to send it to you. Angle. Where's the angle and triangle? No, my love. Bad girl, Annie, what go on, my baby? Yes, my girl. None of my members are all but on a call. What them feel like? You know, say I mix up you. But you know when I question what I want to ask, but did not kill the video there. But I want them to analyze one man in the video. And also baby come palan. But didn't want to know if me did not do one booty. I was joking about it. But also ask. Why today, me I come back tomorrow, because today is Sunday, so me I go behave myself, tomorrow me come check on again. Because you know, say God know upon the Sunday, and we didn't put off a Sunday episode. But me didn't want to, what me did not do in another video there, me just can't understand. Me did not kill a man, me did not analyze a man, and me did not joke a booty. Me not get it, I want the crime, me commit. It come like a one big dirty crime and me I go to prison, me not get it. Yes, man, in the comment section, can someone send me the video? Yes, a mix up, girl. Yes, man, Can you send me the video? Don't send her no video. Don't send her no video. She too enough. She too enough. Don't send her none. The video already leaked out there. Why? No, sir, the man begs and hate me so much. The man leak video to blurt not. The man begs and hate me so much. The man leak the video and say me I go mash up your career. You mash up your now. Angle, alright, my baby, you bad, you bad. Yes, my girl, you angle, me love. No, but you know one of the things. Every time I say this, hold on name. Boy, it's sweet me too. Me not lie, me have to laugh, me can't cry. No, but that, look here, me no know. Me say the man hate me so much because me and the man left the man leak that and the man leak the video. Saying only never hear him say I go leak the video. And him I go mash up my life so me not have no more life. And that him say me love, you can start. When you say you can start Lord God, you know say you're out there, yes mad you know, and you can start a class, you're bad. No, me not tell you who girl I'm go looking at it. Him leak the video. Him leak the video. Right now, I have film video, you know. I have film video, but the man have all man down this side here over. Big up yourself, baby. Thank you. The man have man down this side here like wow. I have film video too. We have film video too, baby. Right through my love, thank you, my baby. Big up yourself, thank you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Girl, listen man, listen me. I know everything eat good for talk. Just watch and see what go happen. Watch and see what go happen. Remember saying no, me they write down your son, you know, when I film friend them, you know, I be a badness, them a bad up, you know. And I send trick no one to me youth them, you know. No joke, me can show me, you know, I be the family I get, you know. I be the my family I get. Thank you. You put the right thing right there, so sue him. Sue him, girl. Girl, remember.
Alright, so people, wanna tell me, wanna believe Annie, where Annie has say she have things with the man or do whatever. Wanna tell me in the comment section because me not think so. Me feel like say she just did say that to the man for the man not drop for the man not drop where him drop, right? I know for her thing out there she has said she have theme thing but she can't put it out because a beer promise she a get from the man and the man have people down there a promise way you know what I mean for dash with she and I you them also I get beer promise people yeah tell me say somebody put out for your thing and you have something with them and you not put it out no matter where them a say you not put it out. Come on Annie, we not believe you, me not lie. And you have to just hold that, you know what I mean, because at that the woman them are going with you know. You see what I say? At that the woman them are going with, you see me, and as a big woman on a level, Annie, you should have know them things yeah. Say you can't do certain things and give a man certain power over you. You know what I mean? Jano Star, you have to just hold it and just know see how so it go. You see she a kinda a try, you know what I mean, make it look like say she don't feel no type of way and then way the people. But we know say, you see me, she feel a way how the man drop it. You see it, but I hear that thing that him do still. Me nah lie, no matter what she has say about him and them thing there, him never did have to do that because she have a youth them and them way there. You see me? But people make me know what I'm thinking at the comment. We're gonna watch some more.
say me a mother and father for my family. Me can't wait for me say me can't make Lando go lose him, you know. Wanna for look into things, you know, and think, you know, and not think. Member say me can't wait for land, me can't make Lando go lose him. Me not make nobody boy penny lose him like. You see me? So the biggest thing me I go do is that me I do. I want you know what? Look here. Me never talk much on this. Yes, mama, big up yourself. Me like what you're saying in the comment section. You have to think twice. Yes, when you have your writing in your hand, don't let it go for nobody, man. You can't let go your writing in your hands for nobody, man, my mama. You can't do that. You have to think what you do. You hear? Remember, see me alone I fight for my pitney them, you know? Crazy? And me, you don't care sit down out there and say anything what you want to say. And me a fight for my pitney there when man a threaten to out my family. You not go through it and me a go through it. The man have a man down here so I watch me. Anything me do the boy go back go tell him up this so. So no for you don't know what go on in a John shop. You don't know what is going on. Oh. I become me go tell them about him Batman boss where him a joke. And that's why I'm big. And he was talking about it. I have full evidence. Say him leaking.
Good girl.
Yeah, baby.
What go on?
What go on? Me there here, my love.
You know from when me want chat to you and you are refuse and talk to me and a long time we are coming up. For you just boss and me your friend on social media, you know. You by my profile and you will know what talk. Yes, me send you so many requests. You remember when your daughter birthday and she didn't want more enable?
Yeah.
Hello, good evening, Miss Annie.
Her 16th birthday, you did call me.
Yeah. Me come baby. Yes, me remember.
You dash me with Annie, you know, if you deal with me, so brother, because me and you are supposed to be the first person friend pass social media when they go through and me the call and text and you text me.
Yes. Yeah, girl, come on. No do
this
me
is
so. You know my life already and I may see you on the video. Lord God.
This is a long time. This is a long time now, though. This is a long time. All right.
Cool,
but my advice when I call you if you do.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Me call you to give you advice as a friend.
Yes.
But me never been through the situation. But me have situation like that. When me tell myself say me would a leak. But you see when I go back go think about the consequence.
Yeah.
You love your family. You have to live for your family. Don't make nobody tell us if you leak no video.
Yeah.
Don't make nobody put your life and your children them life in a no danger, girl. Do not leak no video. Do the right thing.
Me not lie still enough.
Because all of what
you see, well, I make you continue to me I look on it and me I say me already out there. Everybody already see me. So me didn't look on it and say me for drop this video. You understand what me I say? Just even
no, play the bigger person. Listen, this is a 9-day talking, girl. This is just a 9-day talking.
Hello, Miss Annie.
So don't make nobody boot you because when them boot you, my girl, and put you in a jeopardy, none of who they tell you for leaking and go there if you assist your girl.
That's true.
That's
you know.
Alright, so people, wanna tell me if you don't believe what Anya say, cause Anya talk a lot of things, you know. I try this the man, but I know Annie can't show with nothing. You see me I say? So me feel like say Annie just attack because the man do what him do and she want make it look like say him do it too. But you know what I mean, enough man I do them something they still, you know. But like how the man drop something with she I do it and she drop nothing with the man, enough people are gonna say alright Annie, you know what I mean, nothing no go so whatever. But Annie, big up yourself still. I know you're alone as woman I do them thing there. But as a big woman you should not make the man, you know what I mean, have nothing for sure say yo you do that, you know what I mean. So let me know what you think in the comment section, my people, And we are going to hear with Dee officer, you know, because Dee still a beat Mackerel and Khandy, you know. And then we are going to hear what Mackerel officer about Dee.
Only the live I tell people say them fridge they beside of them bed. And only the door drop off on the right. See the door there now. One little tiny white door. The door look like half of a door. And the door drop off. I don't know cut people about on TV. So that's why I told you say people can't argue with Uno man. People can't argue with Uno because Uno, them argument I want to come with them make no sense. Uno tell girls say them a do thumb. And girl nasty and Uno par. Babe, start the truth I got love. Me ever come on this and tell none of them say you take me. I never sleep with a different man in my life yet. Never. Me not have to tell lie. Me not have to come out and tell them the lie. But at the same time, whatever I do with my is not you guys' business. So me not have to come out here come tell them say I never Jelani or whatever the case might be. You guys know of me and Jelani that this is the person that I plan to spend the rest of my life with. And me and him married. He is what is important. So if me sleep with Ariane brother in my past, that is in my past. And me not sleep with them anymore. Me not tell them say the man them where they put for me I saw it going now. Me not tell you that because I know some of the reasoning on the upper not really right. And when me I say them something I know, I go say, oh, so that means that when then this she find it true. Me not tell you that. But me I said to Uno say I don't lie on myself. If a piece of information is not necessary to give to the media, I don't give it. Because me know me sit down on live and hear such a man say a one man she. But yet still there is a whole set of you with another man. So this is why you know if the company media pretend. Because you know what tell me say how much man me at the same time. Jelani, I know Jelani take my verse. But me never yet come tell you say Jelani take my verse. So this is where you guys are always wrong and strong. You know always wrong and strong. And you always a try give girl man. Always. You know always want to know how much man in a woman home. And the things that you know do out there is wrong. Because if me and you have to video me the fan. Me don't care how much money you give me. If me and you have to video me the fuck one. While some woman out there, they love when man video them. They enjoy them type of thing. Them thing they turn them on. Of course, me have a sex with me and my husband. And me know my husband now release them the thing there. Because that's between me and him. And me and him never make none of them thing there until after we've been married and I enjoy our life and them thing there. So that's why I'm telling you, say, dog, in a life sometimes just do to others what you want, then do you. I just that's all. Do unto others what you want, then do you. Cause look how they come on live and them a rub me and them a do me. And how much man I say they do me this and do me. And one bag of fury I come up from. All man. When me never yet there within my life, I say me and them there. And one bag of fury people just wanna be seen and people are so lie. And look, people are sending out too much shape at them and them the thing they know.
Oh, send out to me.
They can't get to me. If me up right now, this done.
My people do.
Come never know say so smart. What kind of clothes?
That get fucked exactly.
Me no so you can't deal with me, so.
You know, never again, you just
want a quick fix.
Yo, you just want the pussy on the throat one time. Blah, 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 blah. Move.
Big Oliver blows. But see, I got what this man.
Yeah, I get everything in our business. What you can't kill them?
If I laugh, I did, I can't, brother. Me not like this though. Me not like people release this. I just take while me get it. Me just get it from my WhatsApp.
Feel away fear too.
Me feel away fear. Me not lie.
Shame. Me can't understand.
Me go tell him to send me Mackerel one to car. To him love chat but take people man. Me want to see if he
can't be enough to do the 50 people and left them alone there.
Me I tell him send me Mackerel one too.
Because it's just a fuck up karma that liquor and I fired right there so brawl in the better. Karma, bro.
Whoa.
Don't ramp with God kick me out.
You want to see my krill?
Where key them there?
You did see it, mother? See it.
Where key them there?
They're not, think about your door. But yeah. Oh, I speak down so far, right? Good if you the cap. Kuya.
So, my people, me hear Dee say if she there with a man and is like the man want, you know what I mean, capture the thing where them are going with. She now met the man Ray, and then she a go say she and her husband have a tape. So you just say one thing and then come say the other thing. Come on, man. Yo, me feel like say, you know what I mean, them just a try to make Khandy. Dee just a try to make Khandy look shame, say, you know what I mean, she have something out there. But upon a level, my people, like that, I know nothing no more. I know like one time, if a woman have something out there, people are gonna say Ray, and you know what I mean. No, them thing there. I just sitting where everybody do, every woman do. You see me I say? So it might look away cause everybody has see it, but we all know say every woman do them thing there. You see me I say? So make you watch some more, my people.
Black one. Yeah, bleach.
No. No, sir. Murder. Me nah look back at all. Who fi make gonna see? I lose over page. You know what I do?
Go see we go find it.
You don't want to go look fit, my love. It's all about. It's all about. Everybody I watch it, my love. Well, this one I say, this one I did that. I want to say them every day out long time. I first me I see it, my love.
So you want to say long time she posted it on her hub.
Which hub?
Or OnlyFans and some shit.
Yeah, only then Jelani, look what me tell you to me put up on OnlyFans.
Girl, we can reach that.
Me want to go on OnlyFans. See if we can make some fast money. What you say?
We'll have to put on 2 months.
But we can't do that, you know?
Yeah.
I mash up that.
Put on 2 months.
But here what the problem now, we have tattoo.
No, but that's cover it. That's a simple thing. When I put on a long, tight thing there.
Yeah.
I just
No, me would have wash out that.
I just do so.
I like your Vanessa, come on.
You can't do them sitting there in the idea.
But this time you told Tada. What you said I want to know if you're still Jelani.
I probably no, sir. You have to just apply like 6 different women to her. So I just show my face. I say, yeah. Fuck up my place.
Jelani, Jelani, you know me that bad up that yo, me your video, yo Jelani, me your video, but you know say me your video release. TikTok done in a Jelani.
Pipe action.
The girl them would have love you have and a man them would have love have me. Blood clot, a piece of trouble would have start. My God.
What do you care? Who have them? I must know, brother.
You see, it's me tell you, see as a woman, if me know so a man a video me a go on extra bad. You have to go text me, babes. I know you go get it. Not true. Me not talk about nobody. Me not talk about nobody own, you know. Me just talk a general. Me I say, if you don't know so a man a video, uno would have go on extra bad. Not true. Me da go on extra bad enough for me. Me know so you have video me. Yeah. Spicy up. Jelani, if you know so somebody have video, you go on bad. And spicy up. Cause you know, yeah, you have to add up yourself. And go on with yourself. Boy, no know sir. And she's saying, Dee can't run argument with me because when it come out to suck it, I am the pro. And in my mind, I'm like, no, who is arguing with somebody? And I gonna say, me so you. At the end of the day, the one belongs to my husband. So I am not going to be a pro. I don't want to be perfect at it for so comfortable with my little one sucking. You are suck different types and different stuff. So you can be the pro, you can be the boss of that. That's not that I don't get award for things like that. Wanna get where I come from? So at the end of the day, them little thing that just make me know say arguing with a person like that doesn't really make no sense. But ain't nobody need to blame me for really see a video where me don't know about. That's why I try to tell you no. Me don't use Telegram or whatever I want, but I use that app. I mean, I have no so much of fuck. How the hell these people get all them type of so much of them? That's crazy.
I want somebody
look at Moko. This a girl follow me, see? This a girl send me follow, you know. Go over sitting in live. Go tell her, I say, dear chatter. And she follow me, you know. And the girl, somebody have in her comment section, I say, girl, move, you look at mix up bumbo class. I look when I click on them, I say, this fucking idiot, follow me. But yes, still have spread propaganda for my woman. I say, I do enough time, I like a TikTok thing, you know. And most of them girls only follow me because they probably want to woman feelings or some shit, you know.
But no, guys, but here's something I want to understand with social media, bro. You can depend on this thing for years and a person can just come out and say one thing about you and it turn you in a most hated, bro. You have to strong in a real life and you have to have people who have your back in a real life. And I do want to apologize to some of my supporters because some of the times when I come on, I cuss to know and I say, and I can proudly say that I've seen a lot of my supporters defending me in a real life. Una go round and una defend me. I don't want to call Destiny name and mix up Destiny pan ya. Awa. Awa. Tell a Jonathan we're not afraid of nobody here, we're not keep a secret. What happened?
I'm not keeping a secret, but I'm just saying, right?
Really? Or any live?
Yeah, look to the ranking, look what I'm doing. My God.
Poor thing, I'm sorry for her. I don't know me, I just saw my heart stay. A banana candy get, guys? It's crazy. Mary said she just get banana, true?
One account here.
They send a banana him in the live. Alright, wanna listen now, wanna see this app it here. This app will make you and this app will fake you. Money is the root of all evil. And you see.
Alright, my people. So right just so me end D part, you know. So we're gonna listen to Mackerel and then we go over Come.
The big old Father's Day. Even if you boy don't like goat, even if you boy don't like goat, and the boy don't like gift, you're not surprised him with a nice basket. When somebody asks D, say, where you give boy for Father's Day? They give him 3 pitney, D put out where? D put here. Me give him 3 pitney, your son dance. Me give him 3, D, you're not even one night, take a $1,500 basket. For sure, the man say, I appreciate you for the father that you are. Ray. As man in light, Mek Khandy, as man, big Father's Day. As man in light, Mek Khandy. You know, come on TikTok live, come show people and say, Gilani, make a speech. For the past 68 years where we have there together, the ups and downs, the rain and the sun, you know, come out, come make a little speech. Mek Khandy. All you talk about is Mek Khandy. So I could be a happy wife. Big Father's Day. Big Father's Day. I'm supposed to make the boy breakfast in bed day. Make a teach you how to be a wife. Big Father's Day, Dim. You know, give the boy like a breakfast in bed. Play some love song. Okay. Big Father's Day. Two careless girl, one well. The next one, yeah, them a run up and down in her head. Them girl they stressing her out. And them girl they stressing out. Girl well, them yeah run up and down in her them head. And the girl will have us all over part only for the stress out. A married woman. Jaja God. Jaja God. Jaja God. Big Father's Day. Me not telling lie. People let me tell. Big Father's Day. I'm supposed to bubble some sprats and some rock. But Jillan, yeah, the excuse what them have now. Yeah, the excuse. Jillan not like this. Jillan not like that. Jillan, if him the blood clot like it, him have to take what me give him. If him the like going out, me have to treat him with a gift. If him the like gift, him have to wear clothes. So if I have 2 nice pants, me buy him and 2 nice shirts. Hey, eat that girl, go away. Go suck your mother again before you walk and pick problem with girl. Go eat out underneath your mother big stinking body will abandon it from your baby. Even if the boy don't like clothes, if the boy don't like gift, him no wear shoes. You buy the boy one nice little shoes. Eh? For Father's Day. Jillan like this, Jillan like that. Just like when you can post video and bring down girl. Post when Candy talk about your TV, you could have post that. Post, say you give boy one nice, your baby father / your husband where you're married to. Post, say you give him a nice gift, no? Post, say you're not only negative. But because you are so unhappy, you have to talk about Mek Khandy till you reach my DM. Because you are so unhappy. Class. You see girl with class, you don't come argue girl with class. Cause as much, I don't even have to say 40, dog. I just the truth. I don't even have to prove myself to you, dog. Because I just want to make you know say you and I are not the same. I just want to make you know say me and I on the same level, I mean in the same league. And that I just want to make you know. I just want money noon and night Mek Khandy the whole day. Mek Khandy, not Mek Khandy. Eh? As them could have married and have time for the cake. I can't have for your body, you know. So when I don't ride off your boy body, don't suck off your rifle because I say, I said Jillan, oh. Imagine when food up in them ready for come soon, no? Imagine. Am I ready? Alright, call her.
Alright, my people. So mackerel that, you know what I mean, tell me one thing. Then mackerel can't ride nothing, people. Mackerel can't ride nothing. Come and say about our baby father, cause
2 months sure. 3 months. Father got to wait till Shellyann because one year old them get them father looks. Your blood clot. You're dead now. With God all things are possible. The fear them all come out now. Me now black me and mute, yeah. So you stay there and see how me have put your lips suck on my mother. I all feel today. When I have one put your mouse, but one put your mind, one put your God. See how you do. God fix your blood clot. Yeah, me now black them me and mute them. Big up God. Big up my good father. Big up Sarah and Evo down. One in father, another big father. My little father is. I should have a picture because you pit panning. Just pit and put panning and tear. Big up God. Yeah man, it's a never show product on the internet. But God said, go there and show them. How do you that? Yeah? Don't pray. Alright, go on, let's go to prayer. You're gonna feel like a dark shit today. Your blood clots, yo. No. Father them, cause you're none. Now you
the real father them. Big up my top father in Orlando. Me now walk and get no jackets. When I care about a boy and a girl want to say, because we do the right thing, I will shame the enemy there with the blood clot, you know. But if my mother can't see me picnic, and I'm my picnic, push where God works, look where God works. Come to blood clot fit.
The storms we chase are leading us.
Tell him to stop on the purpose, not you will huggies. Find a man and huggies. Labor and close right through.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow to the sun rises. We'll go through the wastelands.
Alright, so people, tell me what you think in the comment section. I did have to put the music, the sound for drown out the music in the background. So let me know what you think, people. Yes, so I end it.